The text solution to this video is available on videogcsc.com. Question 16a part 2. Expand and simplify all of root 2 plus root 10 squared. Try this now, pause and unpause to check your answer. Above the question I've written something that might help. Some people do these types of questions a plus b squared. They know that squared is multiplying the same thing by itself, so that would just be in brackets a plus b times a plus b again, and they would find the answer that way. A quicker way of squaring a bracket is simply square the first thing, do the first times the second times 2, remembering your signs if there's a minus, and square the second thing. So that's just square the first thing, a, square the second thing, b, and then do a times b times 2, remembering your sign. That's a quicker way than expanding brackets. If you need to expand brackets, then that's fine. It's just slower. Okay, let's use this rule for squaring this bracket here. Well, the first thing is root 2, so we can say root 2 squared. Squaring is the opposite of rooting, so it will cancel out the root sign, so it will just be 2. Then we do plus root 2, which is a in our rule, times root 10, which is b in our rule, times 2, and the 2 comes from here. And you can see that if you were to multiply out these brackets, you would get the same thing twice. That's why you get times 2, plus, and in our rule we have b squared. Well, b in this case is root 10. So root 10 squared, again, squaring and rooting are the inverses of each other. So you can they cancel each other out. So you're left with just 10. Any square root squared you can just remove the square root. And now you simplify. Well, let's do the multiplying first. Well, we have 2 at the beginning and plus 10 at the end, so we can say that that's 12 plus root 2 times root 10 times 2 is going to be 2 root 20, which is just short for 2 times root 20. Now we need to simplify root 20, and to do that we need to, for the first part of this question, look at what divides into root 20 evenly, which of the square numbers. We said that root 20 in the first part of this question is 2 root 5, because root 20 is equal to root 4 times root 5, so it just simplifies to 2 root 5. So we're left with 12 plus 2 times, I'm writing it the long way with times, 2 root 5. And so our final answer is 12 plus 4, 2 times 2, times root 5, 4 root 5. And that's our final answer.